welcome back. My name is Emily. In this video I will share 2 tags that I created using some of the new products from Trinity stamps. I used a large ornament shaker die, and I believe this is meant to go on a card and be like this cute ornament shaking part, but I wanted to stretch my supplies and use it like a tag. So I cut out just 2 regular circles that I knew would fit behind my ornaments. So I cut them out of some coordinating paper and I inked them up with one of the text dies from Trinity. And then I did that in white ink, and then I will go over the edges with my a darker color of the same, like pink here. And I also used one of the blending brushes from Trinity. These are the new ones. And I will do the same for the blue tag here. And you can also see to the side that I cut out of pattern paper, or not pattern paper, out of some green solid cardstock, I should say, some greenery to go on my tags. Sorry, excuse me. And for making these into tags, I needed to put adhesive around the edges of my tag here and put some acetate on the other side. You can see here I have some acetate, and then I just cut around it. To fill my shakers, I used a combination of 2 of my favorite embellishments from Trinity. It's the Shimmer and Shine embellishment mix, and that's the one you can see here on screen, as well as the Oh My Star embellishment mix that I am using now. Both of these are amazing and so beautiful and gives an amazing shine to any project. And I also used Trinity's double-sided foam adhesive strips to the back of this. And then I will carefully lay down my lid, or the back side of my tags here, making sure that I am covering all of the adhesive here so that I can use these tags. So you can see how they look and how they shake around. I absolutely love these tags. I think they turned out super cute. And for the top part here, I'm using the little hanger here, and I cut it out of some mirror gold cardstock. If you wanted this to be even more sturdy, you could use a double up of this to have on the back side as well. For mine, I know this was going to lay on top of a present later, so I don't think that you need to do anything extra here. So I just think these greeneries looked so cute on the top of my tags. I just went around and tucked them in here. You can see I'm filling in the top part. I also cut them out of the same gold mirror cardstock just to tie it all together. And I will put a little bit more here on both of the sides, just to fill it in a little bit more. So there you go. Here we have our 2 cards. And for the sentiment, I used the Simply Sentimentals. I used the new one, Holiday, and I used the previous released Happy. And I used the one, you can see they are reversed, stamped with black. I just love those. And for embellishing these even more, I took Trinity's glue body here, and I just made sure that I used my tools here and picked up some more of the Oh My Star embellishments, and then that part was done. And I also wanted to tie some ribbon to the top, just to tie everything together with the ornament feel here. So just a little bow to the top here. You can see I'm fiddling around with tying that. And here you can see the finished projects for today. I hope you got inspired to create something similar. This was really fun and easy to create, and will be super cute on any Christmas present. Until next time, I hope you have a great day. Bye!